Well, ladies and gentlemen, very good evening. Look to your left, it's the Royal Air Force aerobatic team. It's the Red Arrows. That's the voice of Red 1, Squadron Leader David Montenegro. Formerly David flew the Tornado F3 in the air defence role before joining the Red Arrows initially in 2009 and then flew until 2011. Directly ahead now, you see a very wide shape is forming. Reds 8 and 9 have moved to the outsides, and from Red 9's left wingtip through to Red 8's right wingtip, this formation measures a staggering 100 metres wide. 300 feet wide, this formation, as they come in this left-hand turn to show us a shape called Phoenix.
Ja. Kilometer tussen. Ja. Denk je dat het de kerst ja.
Let's all give a big wave to the pilots, everybody. A big wave as they go upside down. 2,500 meters. Jets in that formation of chevron are only 2 meters apart. Cameras ready, the smoke is about to come on in Diamond. The 5 aircraft of Enid fan out at the front. Keep your eyes on Chippo. Chippo pass. Is Red 8 and a final touch. He is Lieutenant Ollie Parr, who's a third-year pilot with the team. And there he goes as he draws a spear through through the heart of red 6 and 7. Cameras ready. Pulling up at 400 miles an hour in a 7-ship Vixen formation. Red 1 now twists this thing towards us through 90 degrees. Now get your cameras ready. This is the vertical brake. The carousel. This is the twister. You can hear it in his voice, he's pushing minus 2.5 G. He is now the right way up, the other three are the wrong way up as they fly the mirror roll. Corkscrew. Airforce aerobatic team, the Red Arrows.